Good morning student, welcome to your SST class. Today I am going to explain Geography chapter 8. The title of the chapter 8 is Life in the Tropical and Subtropical Region. As you know, there is a direct relationship between man and environment. Human beings modify the environment to fulfill their needs. Lifestyles of the people in different parts of the world are largely influenced by climate. They also adjust their own activities and custom according to the physical and cultural environment. The region between the Tropic of Cancer and the Tropic of Capricorn, roughly lying between 20 degrees north and 20 degrees south of the equator, are called the tropical region. The tropical region lies close to the equator. It extends between 10 degrees north and 10 degrees south of the equator. The subtropical region extends up to about 25 degrees north and 30 degrees north in both hemispheres. In this chapter, we learn about the physical environment in the Amazon basin in South America and the Ganga-Brahmaputra basin in South Asia. We shall discuss these two regions in the light of their distinctive physical environment and economic activities. Firstly, we discuss about the Amazon basin. Amazon basin lies very close to the equator, mainly between 10 degrees north and 10 degrees south latitudes. The river Amazon is the world's largest river in terms of volume of water. This river originates from the Andes Mountains, flows towards the north and drains in the Atlantic Ocean. The Amazon basin extends about 71 lakh square kilometers and includes parts of 6 countries, mainly Brazil, Peru, Bolivia, Ecuador, Colombia and Venezuela. The Amazon River is joined by numerous tributaries from the north and south. It has joined more than 1,000 known tributaries, forming the largest river basin in the world. But the Amazon basin is sparsely populated, quite unlike the Ganga-Brahmaputra basin, which has the highest density of population in the world. Climate condition. The Amazon basin is located in the equatorial region, so its climate is best described as hot, wet equatorial climate throughout the year. The annual rainfall is more than 250 centimeters. There is more rainfall in the afternoon than in any other part of the day. Most of the rainfall is of conventional type. It is accompanied by thunder and lightning. The daytime temperature becomes oppressive and unbearable due to bright sunlight and heavy relative humidity. The Amazon basin has dense forests which produce a high amount of water vapor. The Andes Mountains prevent this water vapor from escaping out of this basin, making the basin a very wet region. The rainfall is concentrated over 5 months from mid-June to September. During the remaining months of the year, only about 8% of rainfall is received. There is a little horizontal movement of air. Thus, when combined with high humidity, it produces showy weather condition. Some areas receive as much as 350 centimeters of rain annually. Thank you class. Next topic I will explain next day.